Double double and 2. Back. Well, not really back. We've never been here before, but what state are we in right now?
Oregon.
We are in Oregon right now. We wanted to do something nature-y in our summer. We're teachers. We're done with summer school. We wanted to do some outdoor nature-y stuff. So my wife, shout out Maria, thank you. She looked up some stuff and Oregon was the move. So we walked 5 minutes and stop number 2. You guys haven't noticed, we traded in our sneakers for some boots. I think we're hikers now, are we? Stop number 3. If you guys can't tell, our theme of the day was viewing a whole bunch of different waterfalls. So we were just right there. We got all the way up here. Look at it. We made it to our very last waterfall of the day. It is called Horsetail Falls. Oh wow, you can go swimming here. Okay, so I think we're done. Are we gonna go any more waterfalls today?
That was it.
Yeah, so we went to a handful of waterfalls, but how about on the count of 3, you say your favorite one? Think of it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Multnomah.
This one.
That wasn't on 3, but
Horsetail something.
Horsetail. Yeah, I like Multnomah, but this one's tough too. I wish I brought some swimming trunks so I could get in there.
Just get in there.
Maybe go take a shower underneath. That'd be really unsanitary, actually, if you really think about it, but I don't know. It'd be organic water. There you go. Are we done waterfalls today?
Yes.
I think we're done. We're gonna finally check into our hotel. We just made it back to the hotel, changed it up a little bit, showered finally, definitely much needed. But now we're here for dinner. We're gonna be trying Fire on the Mountain. Heard a lot of good reviews about it. Super excited to try it out. Menu. 10 out of 10 menu. How come you looked upset when I said 10 out of 10 menu? My fault. Non-biased 10 out of 10 menu. I really haven't tasted anything, but I think it's because I'm so hungry. Did you get the fries already though? Look like fries. Definitely sounds like a fry too. Whoa. Not gonna lie.
Like any other fry.
Not gonna lie. It honestly tastes like
any other fry.
It tastes like any other fry that I've had though. But because I'm hungry right now, non-biased, I'm gonna give it a 7 plus 3 out of 10. That means a 10 out of 10. Thank you. This is what we really came for though. The traditional wings. I think I got like chipotle, bourbon, cilantro lime, and chipotle bourbon, chicken tenders, and what is this sauce right here?
Raspberry habanero.
Raspberry habanero, and this is what? Hot buffalo?
Yes.
Alright. Oh my goodness. Alright. No ranch, no ranch. Ten. Okay, this one is the cilantro lime. Yeah. No ranch, no ranch. I'm gonna try it. I wish you could taste this through the camera.
They do at B-dubs.
I wish they could taste it through the camera because it's magnificent. For the cilantro lime one, there's a slight spice to it, but think of like, I don't even know. Think of cilantro and lime, but on steroids, and that's what you get from this one. Okay, here's the chicken tender. It's so hot. Hold on. Raspberry habanero. Cheers. I want you to hear this crunch. I feel like it's gonna be super crunchy. I've ordered chicken tenders and fries all the way up till I was like 21 at restaurants. Okay, maybe till I was like 20. But this is the best chicken tender that I've ever had in my life. Hey, we just made it after an hour, 20 minutes of driving. We just made it to Silver Falls. We're about to do let's just say an 8-mile hike round trip. So we're gonna see how that is. But first, got to do the fit checks. The Ranger pack, Park Ranger TC. This is the shirt. Traded the sneakers out for some hiking boots. We ready? We ready? Outfit of the day. You got the all black. Assistant Park Ranger. You got the official boots on as well. Very tough outfit. Hair check. 10 out of 10. All right, first waterfall. need to have boots. To me, they kind of look silly at first, but if I wore tennis shoes, I would have been cooked. Hey, shout out to my wife. She walked uphill basically a lot through the mud for like 3 miles. But now, my turn for backpack duty. Yeah, I have no idea. But at the end of it, there's supposed to be 10 that we did. Yep, there's supposed to be 10, but I lost track low-key. That was probably a really difficult walk down, but I think it was definitely worth it. So does this count as 2? Does it count as 2 or 3? Not trying to be funny, but I'm pretty sure that waterfall number 6 or number 7. These are probably my favorite ones. I forgot the names, but the ones where you can walk behind them, these are probably like my favorite ones to walk by. More mud. How do you feel walking uphill for like the last 30 minutes?
Great.
Oh, same. I feel great too. But to make the time pass by a little bit faster, I might not even put in the video. We'll see. Let's name a color at the same time. 1, 2, 3. Yellow. Okay. Ready.
Can't be those 2 colors.
1, 2, 3. Red.
Damn.
Okay. If we don't get it here, if we don't get this right, comment the word
Tom, this is so stupid.
Tom is stupid, and you get a $5 Crumble gift card.
So everyone that comments Tom.
No, the first one. Who? First one. All right.
You almost gave help $500.
Okay. Or maybe like none, because maybe no one watched this part of the video.
I'm gonna go comment and get me.
Okay. So, ready? 1, 2, 3. Black. Yes! Oh.
That's until we eliminate it all.
Okay, true. We had to eliminate all the colors. If you find this part in the video, comment.
Why wouldn't they find it?
Well, they might not watch it. They might not. Who knows?
Gali and Portugal.
Okay, hopefully they comment then. All right, don't tell them though. If you get this part of the video, you find it, comment the word 10, and I'll give away the gift card like I said.
No, you will not.
I swear. Man of my word. And finally, after almost 8 full miles, how are we feeling after this?
Great.
Proud of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Trail of 10 Falls. If you were to describe it in one word, 1, 2, 3. Fun.
Scenic.
Oh, I thought it was fun and scenic too. After all of the almost 8 miles, the off-trail stuff that we did, what should we do now? Probably
Eat a banana.
all right. I think we're gonna go have a snack, but you want to go somewhere else to eat?
Yeah.
All right. So before we started driving, we were looking for food places, and I was so shocked. I didn't know Oregon had this spot. Some of you might think it's overrated, but I don't really eat burgers like that, and we don't have this anywhere back in Nebraska, but I'm hyped. Animal style fries. What shake did you get? Strawberry shake. Double and 2 double protein style. All right, fry review. $10?
7.
You're lying. Make it a 10. Okay.
27, your fries ready, please.
10 out of 10. Protein style double.
You might as well get a salad.
It's a 10. I give everything a 10 out of 10. Because I truly just love and appreciate food. I'm grateful, that's why. The real question, what do you think of the shake?
Shake is my favorite.
So, what's the rating?
12.
Thoughts?
If I've been living here, just chilling
Yeah, we pulled up to the super tiny town like along the way. We made a little detour because we wanted to see it, but really cool waterfall. So we're on the set of the new Horton Hears a Who movie. Everyone is in there. But look at this garden though. Once you're done going through it, boom. Acai bowl, protein one. What'd you get? The vitamin C juice, and I got the acai bowl, the all-in protein one. After 2 hours of driving and I almost peed my pants, we finally made it to Ecola State Park. We are now about to start the Indian Beach Trail. 2-mile hike there and back. How long do you think it's gonna take us to do this?
1 mile.
Like time? Like how long is it gonna take, do you think?
25 minutes.
To do all 4 miles?
Yeah.
Okay. Update, in 25 minutes in, we are at 0.66 miles, so not even a full mile yet. And after 4 miles, we finally get back to basically the starting point again. We know we're back because the water, breeze. Definitely a 10 out of 10 trail. We just made it to
Cannon Beach.
Yeah, Cannon Beach. Kind of chilly, but I'm happy I wore a long sleeve. Very beautiful looking haystack rock they call it, but a really nice beach. Short Sand Beach Trail, our last hike of the day. Really rocky, but I like it though. Okay, so now this part, we didn't know we were coming here, but like we had to do it after looking it up. Where are we at?
The Japanese garden.
just made it back to the hotel, but now we're gonna be walking to our dinner. It's our last night and we're gonna be going back to
Pine Street Market.
go back to Pine Street Market. There were so many places there yesterday that we saw. We thought, why would we miss the opportunity to walk along the water one more time? Plus have a different assortments of food. I'm excited, are you?
Yeah.
Let's get it. That's fire. It's actually really spicy too. My favorite is the rum. Mmm. Add the sauce. Add the sauce. Chicken pad thai?
Yeah. My face.
How many thumbs up? How many thumbs? 2 thumbs? That's like 10 out of 10 then. Chicken soup dumpling?
Ooh. Hot.
So I might or I might have not had kind of a lot of food. All I've had today was like 6 ounces of just black coffee, a whole bunch of water, and maybe like a cup of fruit. But here's the activity that I had today to maybe justify why I ate so much and why I'm so hungry right now. 1,216 calories burned today. We got 21,000 steps. The day's not over yet still. That's probably the most food that I had in one sitting in I don't know how long, but I was ridiculously hungry off of like really not a lot of food today at all. So very good. I'm still kind of hungry, but I don't think I'm gonna eat. That would be a little bit too much, I think. Finally, we just got back to the hotel. We got done packing and showering and basically getting ready to go for tomorrow. We gotta wake up at 4 a.m., get to the airport at 5, but yeah, we gotta leave early in the morning tomorrow. But before the video ends, I wanna go ahead and show you just some of the pickups that we got on our trip. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the stuff we got. All right, guys, thank you for looking at our pickups of what we got today. I hope you enjoyed it and everything. Thank you for clicking on the video. I don't know when the next video is going to be, but stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next vid. Bye.